What's going on, guys? Welcome back to EAutosports.com. Today we're gonna check out the Pandem body kit for the Datsun Sunny B110. A lot of times we don't see the actual product for Pandem kits because it's always the computer illustrated kit. So let's take this chance to open it up and check it out. Keep opening further, just look at the packaging. The bubble has some writing on B110 over fender. The duck view, so B110 duck rear wing, and then the front lip, B110 front lip. Alright, I've opened up the front lip and it looks amazing. The gel coat looks perfect. You just sand it a little bit and paint it. That's all you need to do. I think looks just really well made fiberglass. Very thin. The gel coat perfect. To save time, I'm not gonna open all four fenders. Let's just look at the duck view and two of the fenders. Again, looks great. Gel coat looks perfect. It almost seems like this is like, came out from a direct injection plastic mold because of the edges looking like that. I guess this is how they get their accuracy. Just fiberglass and a thin coat of gel coat. No bubbles. I love it. Well guys, thanks for checking out this video. This is available on our website e-autosports.com. I know not a lot of you guys will have this exact car, but this video goes to show you the quality of the Pandem body kits. It's just amazing. I'm very confident that this is like you just slap it on the car and then bolt it on, it will fit, because it's just great. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.